Hmm. I don't know. Cool wildflowers. Those look like cone flowers or something. I'm not sure where all it goes, but looks to me like it just goes around in a circle right around here. But interesting. It's actually still got the sticker with the specs on it, so it's 10 foot long. Pelican Manistee 10 is the brand name and model. 28-inch beam, whatever that means, I have no clue. Haven't really, since I haven't tried to go camping with it, I haven't tried to, when I first got it, I kind of wished that it had more storage capacity. But it may have enough. This is the thing, when I got it, I thought that this was access to the back, but all it is a shallow depression in it. And I'd kind of hope for access to the whole rear of the kayak to store stuff. My friend Dallas is cut out behind the seat so that he can reach back in behind there. Mine doesn't. But you see, these straps hold the seat, so I'm thinking about cutting right down through here, exactly like his is. His is the same brand, so it shouldn't hurt anything. There's my permit. It's not on the starboard side or whatever. Seemed more visible right on the damn nose up to me, so that's where I put it. Got me a little watertight box. The seat's not particularly comfortable. I'm thinking about getting some padding and laying it across there. Some sort of foam rubber, thicker foam rubber stuff, so. Not a real comfortable seat, but as long as I get out every once in a while and stand up and uncramp a little bit. Don't even have the feet pedals. It's hard to see in there probably. I don't even have the feet footrest adjusted right. One's up and one's down, but I need to adjust it a little bit. It's hard to reach down in there. But so far, as far as storage, just having a bag stuffed up in there and bags on the bungees should be plenty enough. I may not even need it cut into it, so I'm not real worried. But I'm gonna give it a try and see first before I start cutting on it. Would like to make a little dashboard for it. But yeah, if somebody's interested in getting a kayak, you definitely want to get some water, some dry sacks. It's just an outdoor product. I think it's like $10 or something. M&Ms do melt. I guess they're getting crushed in that bag and it's getting kind of nasty. And the life jacket, I got that for like 30 bucks. It's on sale. It was like 60 bucks. 30 or 40 bucks, I can't remember. The oar was cheap. The paddle, I mean. Only like 14 bucks for this paddle. I kind of would like a slightly longer one. But the sun's starting to go down, but I've got probably an easy hour or two before it goes down. So, like I said, I may do all night kayaking. I brought my friend that works at the gate told me to a lantern. I don't know if this is gonna cut it or not. But if for night kayaking, and I've got my headlamp in there, so. But I've been out here for a while. I don't have. I'm still on vacation, so I have and I dropped my cell phone in the lake yesterday, so I have no clue what time it is. I came out here at about 4 o'clock, between 4 and 4:30, so I'd say it's at least 7. This lake's only about 8 miles from my house, so I would like to try a river and a bigger lake sometime in the next few months. I'm not in a big hurry. This is fine. This is a place to get out. It's not far away, so I like it. I could come here almost every day, probably. There's my bottle holder. My pop holder. Tucked in the side of the seat. That's what I like to get dashboard. Well, I think I'm going to pack all this stuff up. I've had a little break. I'm going to pack all this up and get another drink. Wish I'd put some ice in this. It's insulated, but love a keg. I could stay out here all day long, from morning till night. I might do that tomorrow too. I'm going without my life jacket today. I've been brave. I think I still haven't visited Perch Island. I may have forgot where it's at. I need a map. But I'm gonna pack all this stuff up and do some more kayaking. And yes, that's my Gorilla Pod kayak camera mount going on there.